How's it going, everyone? So I'm going to show you guys really quickly what you can do for abs. We'll do 3 to 4 sets. All you have to do is follow along with me. So the minute I start doing it, just follow along, complete the whole workout. It's only going to be 4 or 5 minutes long. And you'll see this is the best exercise. If there's one exercise I could pick for abs, it's this one. So let's do a quick workout. Just follow along with me. Again, it's only going to be 4 or 5 minutes. They're going to be probably about 1 minute sets. So just literally do this and for about 1 minute. First set done, you guys can see. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweating quite hard. This is very tough to do. 20-second break, and then we'll do it again. So not much of a rest period. Comment in the comment section. I want to know how many of you did this and how hard you thought it was. If it was easy, if it was hard. Okay. This is hard to do. Again, we're only taking about 20 seconds, so I think that's about 20 seconds. Okay, I'm definitely sweating now. You don't have to time this yourself. Again, try to aim for about a minute. Just copy what I'm doing. So literally start the video. When I start the video, just follow me all the way through. So 20-second break starting now, and then we'll do it one more time and that'll be it. My abs are destroyed. Like right now, they're destroyed. This is the exact thing that I do to get six-pack abs, and I do this 3 times a week. 3 to 4 times a week you can do it. And yeah, if you do it for a minute straight, 3 sets, your abs are gonna be destroyed. So let's do it again, last time. Okay, destroyed, absolutely destroyed. You don't need to do ab workouts that take half an hour. You do this, I 110% guarantee you will get six-pack abs. Again, 1 minute sets, 3 sets, flutter kicks, and do it 3 times a week. So take a break, do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Do it about 3 times a week. Trust me, you will get abs by doing this. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.